How to fix Geforce Game Ready driver installation can't continue. 1. Shut down that error window and reopen the Geforce app. 2. Ensure that NVIDIA supports your graphics card. 3. Check and free up. Some storage space, if needed. 4. Install Game Ready driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Note, you may choose custom clean install through Geforce app during the installation process. 5. Remove and reinstall Geforce Experience. 6. Disable antivirus or any other malware software in your system. Note, you may need to check and expand the exclusion list. 7. Check and end task of unwanted program before you run Geforce Experience. Plan B, run Geforce Experience in Windows Clean Boot. 8. Update Windows.